Today I'm gonna go over how to change a water filter on my refrigerator. This is I picked this one up here. It's a Pure Source. This model here is a WF3CB, but it comes in different models depending on what kind of refrigerator you have. I'll show you real quick what it looks like. It's really easy to install. Take the plastic off and I'll show you. Probably good to change these filters every, I don't know what it recommends. I'm say every 6 months or a little bit longer, 9 months, something like that. I think I this time I waited. It's been a year since I changed it. It's got little caps on the end. You just take both of these off for a new one to go in. I'll show you how the old one, this one here looks. I've had this one in, well, actually a little over a year. All you gotta do is push it in. You'll feel it release. Well, it should. My water filter was stuck. Sometimes these little lines here get frozen, and the water inside here, right in here, get frozen. But all I had to do is pop the cover off and push this piece up here, and then push the filter in at the same time, and it released really easy. But shouldn't have to do that. My refrigerator gets really cold. Now, to put the new filter in is really pretty easy. So this piece here, right here, goes up on the top in the groove right here. Slides right in. Push it, let go. That's it. I usually write the date here when I install it. That way I'll know to get a new one and try to order it. I'm gonna try to order it, like I said, every 6 months to a year. But this time I let it run over some, but the water was still fine. I'm sure it's would be good for a lot longer than that, but I like to keep it changed out. Okay, I got the cover back on. Pop had this one screw and it slid out, and we'll just slid it back on, put the screw in, and put the cover on. See it. Just tell me the door's open with that beeping noise. I went ahead and put the date on it, the month and the year. That way in 6 months or 9 months I can go ahead and order a new one. And that's pretty much it. After you change it, you might want to it's best to run out, like I usually run out about 10 to 15 cups of this size. This is a really large cup. That way the water will flow through the filter. It may see a little darker to begin with, and you see it kicking out. It spits a little bit and getting all that air through the line that I let in, through the filter. But like I said, the water may be a little dark to begin with because it's got to go through the carbon in the filter. But that's how it's supposed to work. But so about 10 or 15 cups, the water be ready to drink. And if you have the same problem I have where your line froze, I'll put a link in the video. You click on my other video, it'll show you how to take off the cover and everything for the frozen filter. If it's stuck, it won't just pop out. But if the line's not popped out, if the line's not frozen, it should just easily be able to change your filter. But hope you like this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Help my channel grow.